What is going on, traders? Welcome to episode 3 of the redemption series. Currently, we are looking at GU, gold, and potentially US 30 for buys. We got GU buys from this swing low that you see right here. Let me actually move this swing low that you see. The swing low liquidated previous lows and broke structure impulsively to the upside. We have a nice BOS of the Asian high. So we're expecting price to come back down and mitigate this swing low that you see. And we also have an imbalance, a nice imbalance left behind. Now, price might just tap into this imbalance and then continue, or what we're hoping for is for price to actually mitigate the swing low and then continue up to fill the imbalance up here. So the reason I don't want to take the buy right off of the close of the imbalance is because the stop loss is too big. I'd rather have this much of a stop loss, about a 20 pip stop loss. It saves me about 7 pips or so. So yeah, that's currently where I plan to enter at, and yeah, that's what we got on GU so far. Yesterday, this is what happened. Sell stops were taken, and then price impulsively shot up to the upside. And then what happened? Price sold back down. So this was like a 240 pip move. Within a span of a day, price sold. Remember this? Price sold. That was 50 pips. Then price bought up. That's about 115 pips. Then price sold once again. 123 pips. So that's over 250 pips. That's about just over 300 pips, I believe. Move within one day. So that's crazy for GU to move like this. And yeah, that's what we're actually looking for right now for this buy right here. Gold, we've got a potential buy as well. Let's see. We're actually looking to buy it from where we're trying to buy it yesterday. I feel like price is actually gonna give us an entry this time. And yeah, hopefully we do get that entry. We're expecting this low to be liquidated, for sell stops to be ran, and for price to tap into this demand zone to continue to the upside and liquidate this high up here. So we're looking at this high of liquidity right now, as well as this low right here. So we're looking for price to break below this low, continue above the high, liquidate them both. We're down US 30, where we right now. If you guys remember the sell I took yesterday, price continued to the downside for another 4,000 points or so, or 400 points, which is about 4,000 pips. So yeah, that would have been nice if we caught all of that, but no worries. We caught a nice share. We caught about 400 pips or so. Could have had another 400 pips. Where are we looking for US 30? US 30, currently we're looking for buys as well. It's just the fact that we need to figure out where we want to look for buys. Looks like we just broke several swing lows. I mean, swing highs. We got a break right there. It was up. And then we have a nice imbalance left right here. So we're looking to get in right here, potentially. This would be nice. So we're actually going to get in on this high right here. This would be a nice buy right here. So from about right here, that's where we're looking to buy US 30 to take it to the upside, to at least fill the imbalance that you see up here. Filling that imbalance. Where will it go after? No idea, but as long as we catch the fill of the imbalance is what we're looking to do. So this will be nice, a nice catch on that. It's silver. I'm expecting pretty much the same thing as gold. I'm expecting this swing low to hold for price to continue up. I'm not taking this trade live. It's just a forward test. Anything that you see in green and red is a forward test. Anything that you see in blue and gray, like this, is a live trade that I'm taking. So this forward test is looking pretty nice. I may log this into my trading journal just for future references, because I do plan on trading silver in the future. So that's currently where we have right now. As I showed you, GU, gold, and potentially US 30. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a moment to give you guys an update when the market opens around 9:30. We got about 36 minutes before market opens. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? The market has officially opened and I've changed my bias on US 30. I'm actually going to take sales up here, up here, because I'm really looking to buy from this demand zone down here, which broke impulsively to the upside. Price never came back down to mitigate. So I'm actually looking for buys down here, and I'm going to take this sell from wherever it goes up here. So yeah, it's currently where I am. This is just a forward test. If it taps into this, great. If not, great. So yeah, other pairs right now, still waiting for them. There's news that moderate news at 10 o'clock. So they might wait until 10 to start moving. But again, it's not heavy news. It's moderate news. So I don't know what they're going to do. But whenever they give me an entry confirmation, I'm going to hop in. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit and see you guys in a sec. All right, here's our current standing in the market. I've decided to switch my my entry point on the gold. This zone is no longer valid for us if this 15-minute candle closes above this BOS line right here. I'm hoping that it does because I'm expecting price to come back, tap into this swing low. The reason I'm using this swing low is because there were equal lows right here that the swing low liquidated and then broke to the upside. So I'm hoping this candle closes above the BOS line for price to come back down here and continue up. So that'll be a nice catch. And as you see, this zone was mitigated twice already. So I don't think price is going to go any lower than this unless it wants to actually go down. And I wish I would have seen that yesterday. Would have caught a nice buy, but no worries. Or we got a second chance as well, but no worries. For we are always going to adapt to the market and see what we can catch. So again, as I told you guys before, we get a 15-minute candle close above here. Got about 3 minutes and a half left, 3.5 minutes left before this candle closes. If we get a candle close above here, I'm going to take the buy from this zone right here, US 30. I told you I'm more interested in the sell or testing the buy right here. But we'll see what happens. The market's moving kind of slow today. Not sure why the US news didn't do much. I didn't expect it to do much, but I expected the market to move a little faster than what it is right now. So yeah, it's currently where we stand. Again, just to remind you guys, green and red forward tests, blue and gray is me taking live trades. So this is not me actually in a trade. It's just a forward test. It was a nice entry. Beautiful, beautiful sniper entry. GU still to the upside, waiting for it to hopefully we don't get a candle close above this high right here. I'm hoping price comes down and then takes off after it taps us in. So that's just want to give you guys a quick update, and yeah, that's all we've got right now. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit whenever something happens because the market's moving kind of slow today. All right, so we got our confirmation on gold. We got to close above the high, so this is our new buy zone. So we're looking to take price from here to the upside. And yeah, GU, as hoped, it did not close above this high, so I'm going to keep this buy from here to continue to the upside to at least fill this imbalance up here. And that's currently what I've got. So so far so good. US 30 still ranging, potential push to the upside and sell from here. I'm hoping it comes back down so I can log this trade into a forward test, see if it taps into here, into this imbalance, continues up and then shoots down again. So yep, that's currently where we stand, and I'll give you guys an update whenever I can. I'm back with an update for you guys. This buy on GU is no longer valid for us because price broke above this high. So we're no longer interested in this buy right here. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. And yeah, we're going to delete it from our MetaTrader as well with GU. So no longer interested. Price actually may come down and tap us in, but you know, we're not going to take that chance just because it created a new high. So we're still waiting on gold and US 30. As I said before, the market's pretty slow today. Not sure what's going on, but market's pretty slow. So we have sell limit on US 30 down to this low down here. And we have a buy limit on the gold up to this high, or actually this imbalance that you see right over here. This huge imbalance. It filled some of it, and then fell, but we're expecting price to continue up to fill it in even more. So yeah, or possibly even go higher prices. So yeah, it's currently what we're looking at and currently where we stand. Still waiting for price to make some kind of movement. It's been very slow. So I'll be back with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gym, and I'll see you guys in a few hours or so. Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I decided to enter this buy in US 30 on both my live and FTMO account. So I'm going to switch this to gray and blue. And the buy looked pretty nice, so I decided to enter it. Show you guys why really quick. As I have marked out here, a break structure to the upside. We started price entice buyers into the market, creating some kind of trend line liquidity. Then we wiped those buyers out, those early buyers out. And now we left an imbalance. You see on the 15-minute, there's a huge imbalance that price tapped into nicely. And yeah, we're expecting price to continue to the upside to fill in this longer term imbalance. So yeah, it's currently what we're looking at. And we are in the trade. Let me show you guys where we are right now, where we stand. Here we go, right? Actually, I gotta do this. There we go. So yeah, I'm waiting for this to play out, and it should be a nice banger. Profit of about 4.7K, only risking about $900. So yeah, well, I'll let you guys know if something happens. The market's been super slow today, not sure why, but yeah, we're gonna continue to hold this trade. If we have to hold it throughout the weekend, we will, because we believe it will go up here. We still have this sell limit up here, so yeah, we're gonna hold both of those orders. So yeah, it's currently the only trade that we are on. Let me show you guys gold. Gold did not come back down for us. It did not at all. It's still a possibility, but I doubt it's gonna happen today. It's pretty much the weekend. Market's closing in about 2-3 hours. I doubt it's gonna make some kind of sporadic move to the downside to continue up. So yeah, GU, we already disqualified this trade just because price broke above this high right here that you see right there. So yeah, that's about it, guys. We're gonna wait for this trade to see if this trade plays out. If not, great. If it does, even greater. And I'll give you guys an update whenever I can. We'll see what happens in a little bit. Be back with you guys in a second. I am back, and as you see, we've been liquidated out of the market. US 30 is just on a downtrend. It's just I believe it's going to continue selling up to this point. I expected some kind of retracement higher to this supply zone to continue down, but we did not get that. It actually went to fill this imbalance right here. So I'm tapped into this imbalance on a lower time frame, structure formed right off of this supply zone right here. So yeah, we just got caught on the wrong side of the market today, guys. We'll be back on Monday. The other trade just flew past our target. Gold never came back down to tap us in. GU, let's see where we are. GU's selling potential for us to get in right here. I actually might get in right here. We'll see what happens. I'll give you guys an update if I decide to. But this is going to be the end of this video. If I decide to get in, I'll let you guys know in the next one. So I'll be back, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.